Before we introduce the WebRider 18 definition, I briefly introduce our web technology. The web technology, this is a web technology, web frame. Web technology launched in 1998, and web technology has a good technology which combine to the both cushioning and stability. The web plate is manufactured as single unit, which improves durability. And then this web plate is light and flexible, so which provides you a superior performance product. And then the Rider 18, this is the Rider 18, and then WebRider series have made progress along with the web technology history for over 17 years. So actually this is the 18th edition, and then so I introduced the Rider 18 5 key updates. The first, the first is the modified outsole. Here is a brown rubber. We increase the brown rubber surface area. It is thicker by 1 millimeter rather than the Rider 17, and then which covers the highest pressure point, which wear out very quickly. And then the more block-shaped outsole is improved durability and responsive ride. And the next is the second update is the smooth ride technology. The lateral forefoot area is rounded, so the first contacting area is bigger, and then the landing becomes more stable. We call it, and then transition is very smooth, so we call it smooth ride technology. Third is the Pivax web plate. We change the material into the Pivax web plate, and then this provides you the firm and then high resilient, high responsive ride feeling. And the upper construction. The Rider 17 was the one-piece upper, but we are back to more traditional stitched upper, and then there is a concealed seam on lateral side and medial side and lateral side, and there is an internal welded strap, and which provides you a better shape and fit. And then at the collar area, we put non-slip material, so this also provides you a better feeling. And the last is the premium stock liner, which provides you the better step-in feel and softness, and then high resilience as well. So these are 5 key features is the new update for the Rider 18, and you will try our shoes. I believe you will feel our web technology good cushioning and stability. That's all for the Rider 18 introduction. Thank you for your attention.